In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made $15,964 in commissions with Amazon affiliate marketing using Facebook Reels. This is one of the easiest and the most powerful free traffic strategies, and I'll break it down step by step so you can start making money too, okay? It's new method, new strategies, and I'll show you guys how I create simple reels that get thousand or even sometimes even millions of views. Next, I'll reveal my exact method for adding Amazon affiliate links and getting paid without spending any money on ads. And I'll share the best content strategy to keep your reels going viral and how you can scale this to make even more money, okay? If you are ready to turn Facebook Reels into a passive income machine, let's get started and make sure to watch this video until the end. If you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions like this. I made this commission just in the last month, okay, in the month of January, from the first day until the day 31, okay. This is my commissions, samurai here and bounties over here, okay. Anyway, for people who want to start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing, step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one, okay. So what you will do, super easy and simple. Just go to Google, search for Amazon associate, click on the first link over here, and you will be directly in this page. Click on sign up, and here you go. Click here on create your Amazon account, and as you can see, the sign up process to Amazon affiliate marketing is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first and last name, your email address, your password and password again, and click on create your Amazon account. And after you finish, you should have an account like this one with Amazon affiliate marketing, okay. So this will be your Amazon associate affiliate marketing account. So what you need to do next is you guys need to choose a profitable product that you will start promoting on Facebook Reels to get commissions. You cannot promote any product that you like or that you think it's gonna work. This business doesn't work like this. You need to promote product that can solve problems for people, okay. Product that people already searching for, okay. So I will share with you one of my profitable product that I'm promoting always, and it's still one of the most profitable product for me that's got me a lot of commissions, okay. So what you will do next, we need to choose a good product. So what we will do is we will go to Amazon, okay. Go and open your Amazon account like this, amazon.com like this, okay, and just click on the search and search for lose weight. This is one of the profitable product that I'm promoting, and let's search for this one, and let me show you guys the proof that people already paying, a lot of people, millions of people paying for this product every week or every month, okay. If we scroll, because this product is evergreen product, so let's scroll down, and here you go. You will find a lot of products here on Amazon about this weight loss, okay. So what you need to do next is you need to choose good one. How we can choose good products? Always check how many people paid for those products that you want to use as an Amazon affiliate marketer, and you should at least, those products that you will start promoting should at least has over 1,000 sales in the past month, okay. So for example, like this product is for weight loss, you see guys here, okay. And this one, 70k people paid for this one multiple times. This one is even better, okay. This one is good for you that you can promote as an affiliate marketer with Amazon. So let me find another one here, okay. Let me see this one here, clean. This one also is good, but this one is for colon, okay. I need to search for products about weight loss. Let's scroll down here to see if we can find more. We have, okay, let me see. If I scroll down, I can find more. We have also this one. You guys can see this one here. 7,000 people paid for this one multiple times. Like this one also is good one for you that you can promote. If we scroll more, we have also this one. You guys can see this one here. over 10,000 people paid for this one multiple times, meaning that those products are working and those products are helping people to lose weight. That's why they are buying those products again and again, and those products are evergreen products, meaning that people can keep buying those products for months or even for years. Okay, so what I will do, I will choose for example this one is good. I will click on this product. So for me, I will choose this one is good, and here you go. You will be directly in this Amazon product page. What you will do next is you need to click, so let me see, we will find here videos in this page. So over here, okay, you guys can see here we have videos. I will click on videos, and here you go. You will find a lot of videos here. Okay, you will find a lot of videos here. So for example, what I need is let me check this one here.
So I want to give a review of these Nature's Craft apple cider vinegar gum.
So you will find here you have related videos to this product, and you have customer review videos. Those videos that you can use to promote this product as an Amazon affiliate marketer and earn commissions. You have here customers who are satisfied. They leave here 5 star, meaning that those customers are happy with the results and they are satisfied with this product, and this product help them to lose weight, which is really good. Okay, so what I will do, let me show you. You need to install this extension in your Chrome. Okay, this one, Amazon Video Downloader. So what you will do, you will click here on this 3 points and go to extension and go to visit Chrome Web Store and install this extension. Search for Amazon, search for this one, Amazon Video Downloader, and install this one in your laptop. So after you finish, you just need to click on this extension here, and you should see here a lot of videos about this product. So what I will do, we have here 2 videos. I will choose this one. I will just click here on download, and you will be directly in this Amazon Video Downloader page. Okay, you see. So just click here on download video, and here you go. The video will be downloaded into your laptop. What you will do next is you need to choose to edit this video. So what you will do, we will use Canva. Okay, it's super easy and simple. Go to Google, search for Canva like this, and this will be your home page. It's for free. Click here on video and choose Instagram. So let me see. Choose Instagram Reel. We will promote this Amazon affiliate products on Facebook Reels. So you can choose also Instagram Reels, because Facebook Reels and Instagram Reels, they have the same size. Okay, so that's fine. You can work on this one. So click on Instagram Reel, and you will be directly in this page. So what you will do, click here on upload and click on upload file and upload your video that you download from Amazon, this one. Okay, let me see.
So I want to give a review.
Yes, this is the product about weight loss. I will click on open, and your video will be uploaded to Canva like this. So just click on the video that you uploaded to Canva, and your video will be over here. Okay, let me show you. And here you go.
So I want to give a review of the
and here you go. So just click on this 3 points, scroll down, click on set video as background, and here you go. So let's check the video now. Let me see.
So I want to give a review of these Nature's Craft.
So that's good. I will click here on text. Just follow those steps. It's really super easy, and you can get a lot of traffic from Facebook Reels. Let me show you. Okay, click on text, scroll down, and choose any style of text you want to use. I'm going to use this one. I will click on the second one here. I will delete this one, and I will decrease the font size of this text, and I will put this text here. Double click on the text and put this sentence. Link in the first comment. Okay, link in the first comment, and I will make it like this. And I will put this one here. So what I will do next, I will just click here on element, And what I will do, I will go over here to this one, to shapes, and I'm gonna choose this one. You can choose anyone you want. Just click on color and choose black color, and just put this shape behind your text like this. Okay, now it's good. Link in the first comment, which is really good. We have good Facebook reel video.
Apple cider vinegar gummies.
Okay, you see this? So what you will do next, you will click on share and click on download and click again on download. Okay, and this video will be downloaded into your laptop. Then I will show you guys what you need to do next to upload this video on Facebook Reel, and where you will put your affiliate link to get paid and get commissions. So the video is downloaded into my laptop. What I will do next, I will go back to Facebook. So what you will do next, guys, is you need to create Facebook business page. Okay, it's super easy and it's for free. Go and create a Facebook business page. After you finish, choose a good name for your page. Choose a good, make a good banner, good logo. Okay, this is just an example. I already have Facebook page that I'm using, and I will share with you how you can do how you can upload the video and put your link in this page. Okay, this is not the main page that I'm using, and you should know that Facebook has a lot of traffic. Okay, you guys should know that Facebook has 12 billion monthly visitors. You can get so much traffic from Facebook Reels. They are getting millions of views and they are going viral. If you get just one reel that will go viral, this one reel can make you a lot of commissions, a lot of money. Okay, so open your Facebook business page like this, scroll down and click here on Reels. Okay, click on Reel and click here on Add Video. Okay, and upload your video that you edit on Canva, this one. Okay, about this Amazon product. Okay, you just need to click on open and your video will be uploaded. Okay, and after you upload your video, here is what you will do next. You will go to your page, and if you scroll down, you should see your video here. Okay, so what you will do next, you will click on your video like this. And what you need to do next is you need to add your affiliate link to this Facebook reel, so you can get paid and people can buy this products from you. So what you will do, you will click here. So what we will put here, if you remember, let me show you. We put check link. Okay, link in the first comment. So we will put our affiliate link in our comment here. So click here on comments, and what you will do next, you will put here get, for example, get yours here. Okay, and what you will do next, you will go back to this Amazon products page. Okay, go back to this Amazon products page. To get an affiliate link for this product, you just need to click here on get link. Okay, and here you go. This is your Amazon affiliate link. Copy this link. Of course, I do suggest, guys, to create a landing page or an affiliate website. Okay, and you can put your affiliate website here, so Facebook can push your reels and get a lot of views. If you put affiliate links directly, your reach will be not good. Okay, Facebook will not start pushing your reels to a lot of people. So it's better to use a landing page or an affiliate website. So for me, I will just show you this. You will get the idea, then you can go and improve it. And here you go. You see this? I will click here on comments, and my affiliate link will be over here in the first comment. So people who will watch this reel on Facebook, people who has this problem, they want to lose weight, they will watch the video, see this check link in the first comment, they will go to my first comment, they will go to the comment, check the comments, they will find the product here. You see this? Get yours here. This is our products. If they click on this product, for example, like this, they will be directly in this Amazon products page. They can buy this product from this page and I will earn commission. Okay, it's super easy, guys. That's how we can promote Amazon affiliate links on Facebook. It's easy, free traffic, and you will get a lot of traffic if you do it correctly. Of course, and also, guys, you can put your affiliate link here. Let me show you. So what you will do, guys, to add your website or your landing page to your Facebook page, just go to your Facebook home page and click here on about. Click on this about. If you scroll down, you should see here add website. Okay, click on add website and put your website link here. Okay, your affiliate website or your landing page link. Okay, after you finish, click on save and your affiliate website will be added to your page like this. Okay, and that's it. You see here, it's super easy. That's how we can promote Amazon affiliate links on Facebook. Okay, on Facebook Reels, create a Facebook page like this. You should see you have here your Amazon affiliate link. Like I said, it's better, guys, for you to use a landing page or an affiliate website. That's how you can promote Amazon affiliate links on Facebook Reels. If you want to scale your business, this is the safe and the easy and the free method, free traffic that you can get from Facebook Reels to start making commissions. Okay, and if you are serious about making money online through affiliate marketing, I want to personally invite you to join my exclusive course. I have created a step-by-step guide that shows you exactly how I'm making over $15,000 every single month with affiliate marketing on platforms like YouTube and Instagram and Pinterest and TikTok and more. It's the exact system I use to generate consistent income, and I'm sharing all my secrets with you. If you are interested, feel free to reach out to me in my email address in my description, and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video, guys, is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.